It's early and I need my coffee, but it's no ordinary morning. It's a Saturday, and on weekends we add booze to our coffee. And it's also December, and that means it's time for holiday cocktails. And I'm making you 25 straight days of cocktails to get you ready for any upcoming party, or to have an extra cocktail tool to get you through the holiday season. And if you like these short cocktail videos and want to be notified each day I drop one, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified. And for day 14, we're doing Irish coffees. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this drink, I need an Irish whiskey, and to keep things true to Buena Vista's famous Irish whiskey, I'm using Tullamore Dew Irish whiskey. To make this drink proper, I'm going to be using sugar cubes, but you can use simple syrup if you want to. Additionally, I'm going to be using heavy cream, and of course, freshly brewed coffee. The tools I need for this drink are a shaker set, as well as a long stirring spoon. Everything I use in my bar, as well as in this drink, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with a 6-ounce Irish coffee glass, I'm filling it up with hot water to warm the glass up. After I've brewed my coffee of choice, it's time to pour out the hot water and drop 1 sugar cube in the glass. Now measure out 3 ounces of coffee and pour it in. Mix it all up until the sugar cube is fully dissolved. Now measure out 1 ounce of Irish whiskey. And lastly, add heavy cream to the shaker. I typically throw in a beater ball. You don't need to go crazy, but you'll want the cream to still be a little runny, so it pours on top. Ultimately, make this cream the way you want it since it all goes down the same. And there you have it, the Irish coffee. Cheers. This drink needs no explanation. Irish coffees are timeless, and it just doesn't get much better than this. Brewed coffee, hot Irish whiskey, and cream on the top. It just makes for such an enjoyable morning beverage. I mean, who hates caffeine and alcohol? I mean, people do, but I don't. Either way, you can mix this cream up. I like to keep it on top because all the elements just go right through it, and I highly recommend you at least try this once. And in the comments, let me know if you would try this drink. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I'd love to know. Additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button as I put out new shorts and videos each week. The support means a lot. And until next time, cheers.